I'm Dawn Janes-Bartley with Minnesota Insurance Group. I'm the president, risk manager, and insurance guru here. Today I'm going to talk to you about business auto insurance or commercial auto coverage. Most people think that the only time you have a business auto exposure is if you own a vehicle. So my office owns a vehicle that we use for business purposes, and of course we have that insured on a commercial auto policy. However, there are situations where somebody is a sole proprietor or maybe owns an auto and uses it for business, and it still needs to be insured on a business auto policy. So who owns that vehicle, who's titled, is very important. You might also have a leased vehicle that you would put on a commercial auto policy. The larger the vehicle, the less likely, if it's personally owned, that it can go on a personal auto policy. The other thing to think about is there's two other exposures that come up. One is called hired auto, which is rented auto. So I travel out to a conference, for example, and I need to rent a car to get there. Or I send my employees to a convention and they rent a car to get there. That rented or hired auto is an exposure that I have to endorse to a policy if that's an exposure that I have. The other coverage is called non-owned auto. So this is a big one. Anytime a business has any employees that are going to use their own vehicles for any purpose in the course of work. This can be something as simple as an employee getting lunch or going to the bank to make a deposit or picking up postage. Anytime an employee is in a vehicle that the company doesn't own, so it's non-owned auto, you pick up the exposure for the business. So making sure that you have all three of those coverages when you have all three of those exposures is very, very important. That business auto policy can also provide coverage for the vehicle itself. So if you have an expensive vehicle that you don't want to self-insure for a loss, then you want to make sure you pick up physical damage coverage. And a lot of the business auto policies, you can pick up extra bells and whistles like zero deductible glass, or rental, a reimbursement, or towing. So if those are important coverages, you could usually pick those back up as well. So I'm Dawn with Minnesota Insurance Group. Happy to answer your questions.